The COSRX Peptide Skin Booster is a potent serum designed to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this skin booster properly, along with some important do's and don'ts. The COSRX Peptide Skin Booster is formulated with 6 types of peptides, which are known for their ability to boost collagen production and improve skin elasticity. This serum helps to firm, hydrate, and smooth the skin, making it ideal for anyone looking to address signs of aging or maintain a youthful complexion. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the booster. The main key ingredients are 6 types of peptides. These peptides work together to stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The next ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. The next ingredient is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, which is a water-soluble vitamin. It has the ability to help visibly fade skin discoloration, improve skin texture, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. The booster doesn't contain fragrance and it is a watery texture. Let's now jump into how to use the peptide booster into your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Take a few pumps of the booster onto your fingertips and either pat it onto your face, neck, and chest, or massage it in after applying the booster. Follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. In the morning, always follow with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum. Do use it twice daily in your morning and evening skincare routines for best results. Do apply to slightly damp skin to help the booster serum absorb better. Do follow with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration provided by the skin booster. Do ensure the booster is fully absorbed and dry before applying moisturizer and sunscreen to avoid pilling. Don't use too much product at once. A few drops are sufficient to cover your face and neck. The COSRX Peptide Skin Booster is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for firming, hydrating, and smoothing the skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about how to improve your skin's elasticity and reduce fine lines, check out these 2 videos here next.